Okay, so just let me check one thing first. If I'm audible or not, then we'll move with. Okay, so I'm audible. Just okay, so this one is good, and this one is good, and all good here from my side. I just reload it real quick. Here I will just put. I can't do here anything. Okay, this part is done. Then let me just what put here. Okay, here last time what we have done. We let me just open my notepad. I have made some notes on this, so it would be easy for us to recall what we have done and how what we are going to do today. Okay, clear, all clear. Okay, okay, so we have nowhere and mhm. Okay, Abhi bhai, hi. Thank you for commenting and sorry I am just watching the chat screen, so missed you. And I think that's all. Uh, that's very great if you have commented. I'm like, and I'm working on some things that are of intermediate level of MuleSoft, so trying to just figure out some things and trying to make this project happen. Uh, and if there's any question, you can ask me. If you want to chat on some other topic, I can answer them as well. Otherwise, let me just. I'm waiting for my studio to open. Okay, it is done, and I'm just checking my flow. Last time when I have worked, it is like here until here. Okay, if old version is not equals to null, then it is fetching RAML with a new version and flow reference. Last time when I have accessed it, it is not giving us the old version RAML. Okay, it is not able to fetch RAML with new version as we are not able to like convert that data type into a required one. Okay, So how we are going to do this? We are going to just do a debug project test. Once we have debug project test, we will send a request to test, and hopefully we have what we need. If they not, then I don't know what we are going to do. Just I have just rough idea how it's going. Okay. You can just ignore them. How they ignore your appraisal? Yeah. If you want, you can ignore them anytime. Okay, so we have a request here, and this one has payload and where's okay. So variable old version 1.0.7 and new version API version is the same. Okay, when I do next processor, we have a field with fetching RAML with old version. There's a field with expression parent unable to infer output media as one of being used. Okay, let's see what does this mean. Let me just okay. And after this, we have a where's that old version is 1.0.7 and new version is this. But old level size is good. New level size is gonna be, I think, a tricky one. So inside where's we have okay, old rammer and new rammer both have size that we need, and criminal task it got compared. Invoke a static where's I think it is good. After doing transform message change type. Okay, what do you got? I just want to know what we got. Change type failed to pass one or both rammer files. Okay, so what happened here is it gone through. Oh, yeah, yo, bro. Great to see you here. I'm just thinking like Yug doesn't come into on through the screen last few days, but here you are. Uh, so I think the problem with here is can just if you want I can I think just go to that Java class and we will extract the info out of it. Here we have subscription option. गेट जल्दी लगा ले मच्छर आ जाएंगे. Okay. Okay. What has errors? But new result has errors. Okay. Where is this has error? Damn यार. श्रेयांश राजपूत यूपी और बिहार a Templier hello bro श्रेयांश bro hello Modi or not iPhone Samsung Thara Fortune India or Pakistan or right answers only or wrong answers only Okay, solve this issue first. Okay, what is this and how to solve this? What is this? What is this error about? Okay, let me check. As legit or not, or it is just a false positive. The system most and specific telling you that it doesn't know what out format you want. Well, the others are treated Java, so it can automatically decide the output type. It doesn't matter. Problem is doesn't matter. Okay, just send another request, and once we have it, okay, here you can see this inside this variable. Old version is 1.0.7, and it is application/Java, where I am setting this old version. This version I think I am setting. Is the Nah, bro. Sometimes we need to find something that are some things by ourselves. Okay, we cannot go here and there for that things. You know, as Alu Prakash, Unna, tell me. I try to answer if there is something. Otherwise, you can just you can just watch and enjoy stream. If you want, I can explain what I am doing. Mhm. Here we have a the values coming in our new to channel. Just like the live. Thanks, man. Thanks. It meant a lot to me. If you have any questions, I can answer them. And if you want, we can connect on LinkedIn. I am very active there, and you like we can just talk here there. What you are working, what I am working on, and will maybe we will do some projects together. Okay. So here's my LinkedIn. If you want, we can just connect there. And it's great to have you on my channel. You can find you can find the repository of this project here, uh, code.hk. This is my LinkedIn GitHub repository. So I think that's all. And Okay, can part, but null to string. Okay, it is coming as a null. Mm. So it is done because that part is null. Okay, fetching previous 7 version as here it contains string to null string. If I put it out and do a control plus s, now we can have the value of it. And once we have the value, we can check if it is null or something. I don't think it is null. It don't have to be because as you can just see the query here, it is where API version is API version and order by fetched at disk limit. Okay, so it has to be 1.0.7. I'll not find you in LinkedIn. Okay, uh, wait a sec. I will just send you. Are your name like Bhanu Prakash only? Bhanu Prakash. 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 Yeah, I think you are this an analyst. Okay, okay. I got it, got it. I think I'll send you a connection request here. Wait a sec. I just send you request. Bhanu Prakash. Okay, you are from LPU, Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, you came here to study and then you got a business analyst role and you in Edu Expose in dot internship. Okay, you have just done internship or you are okay, you're in GNT. So I'm a data science. Damn, bro. I got okay. Thanks. We'll chat. Uh, okay. Okay. So what you got myself here and just okay. Let me then focus on my project. So we have a here previous remember target value cannot cross null to string. Can I change this shit now? Maybe version advanced. Okay, I think it is not saved. It's saved. Okay, let me just clear this. Or let me just clear this last request here. Send another one after this. What a request. Okay. So now we have where's like okay, here we can I can find I think target old version of target value is null. Message. We have where's old version is 1.0.7. Okay, target variable is old version. It's me that I have is Java 8 and T something. Transform as set payload attributes null payload. To understand it, we have old versions 1.0.7. What version is this? Okay, how we know this is old versions? No, we have old version as here only old where. Old where I have here, and then I'm using old where here. I will go to Mule debugger. We have old where here. That is Java, and that one is JSON. Yeah, hi Jumpy Cloudy. Here's my LinkedIn. If you want to talk and communicate with me, uh, then here's the thing that you will go through. Otherwise, let's move on. If you have any questions, you can post whenever I see it. I will just answer them. Otherwise, let's go through this one more time. I don't know why, but okay, it is un Java object, and I need to convert it to JSON. Okay, but older than is just this. And after this, I think it has to be in JSON. But no, it doesn't change to JSON. It is just Java. How to change? Change. Okay, it will give an error here. Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. And after this, this will go this. Okay, how to change media type? I want to get the answer some parts of away. This happens and data very skip needed. Define the output type. Media type of any type. I want to implement API into my capstone project, so I was new to it. Can you let me know what prerequisites to integrate them? Uh, bro, the thing is, I'm using MuleSoft, okay, to make APIs. That in MuleSoft it is very easy to make them. Like basic flows are very easy, but when you grow in it, you will find out this thing is like very huge, and there are multiple problems that came here. If you just see it, like in my current project, you will see it here there's no problem. Okay, when I am setting a variable, there's no problem here on out in whole flow, but suddenly there's this thing. Okay, when it passes through this database operation, it got converted to an object, and after that it is not volatile. Okay, uh, we cannot change it to back to string, like back to JSON format. It is just stuck in an object and we cannot able to convert it. Okay, so things are like that. uh, so first you need to find like in which you want to implement API, using which tag, and after that you can just work on that. If you need any help with MuleSoft, I can help on it. Otherwise, I know little bit Spring Boot as well, so it will be easy for you. First, you need to decide like in which technology you want to implement this. Okay, so how to change media type of an object and Java object payload to an to a JSON. And to a Java object and you need to explain JSON here. I have done it, but it is not working. So I need to do this. Okay, I need to do right. Forgot about this part. I can do right, comma s set payload. You can also do this time it needs to work. Otherwise, giving the same error, then I don't think what we are going to do. Yeah, great. Thanks for the. Yeah, man. No problem. Always. Okay. Still getting this fetch error. For output. Natural disaster on my data science, so I want to build an event integration track live and before alerting. Natural disaster data science, so I want to build an API integration track live and before alerting. Bro, it is, yeah, I understood what you wanna do. Uh, that the same thing I tried to implement in like the travel pen app that I'm making before. Okay, so the thumbnail that you are seeing in this video, like in this live, it is of that previous project. Okay, it it tries to like yeah, I know in your capstone project, but the thing is you need to like fetch climate data on it. Okay, and you can use OpenMutio for that. It is an open source API. You can just call it and you will get the data. But the thing is, it is like the weather data is so volatile, you cannot predict things on it. Like you can just say the warning and the things. So like I wish you luck with that. Otherwise I made something similar previously, but yeah, it is just not uh, came out as how I expected it to be. It is more or less like a maybe I don't have that much knowledge, or it is more like things are not that good. It is like its backend is working, but when you move to front end, I don't have that much knowledge in front end. I just know the basic syntax and how to make it work. But when you move it to front end, you will find out it is the target things are scattered all over the screen. So I leave it there. Did not made it like that project did not came further more than that. Okay, here, yes, I think then. It's something I will just ask you. I will just reach out to you and like I am very frank with asking help on things. Okay, if I need help, I will just go out and ask people like, please help me. I'm not that shy guy who try to do everything by herself. I try to like I rely on people and try to do things that with us. Thanks, man. Thanks for coming to my channel. Like I'm very grateful for this. Okay, so it is deployed. Let me send a request, postman, and hit our go to Mule debugger. We have Mule debugger here. Send request and this application Java मेरा ही है 57 मिनट दिखा रहा था कपड़े ही धुल रहा हूँ सारे कपड़े धुल रहा हूँ जो है नॉर्मल पहनने वाले it is good it is good it is good okay we have all of them and okay I think this is all done we have changed the output type and I think this is working wait a sec I don't think so if I just toggle this comment into control S I think it is not gonna make any difference more or less I'm hoping so if it doesn't then I we don't need it we just that message I made this transform message to just like pass it to JSON because it is coming in but okay let me just send a request here send a request so I have it want to here first thing second thing and third thing third fourth fifth sixth okay got it so I don't need it then configuration XML I think we need that part before code that I have commented. Okay, this when part I have commented, but okay, got it. Message flow. If vas.old version is equals to vas.api version, then it is gonna be in this set payload. There's no new version to compare. Okay, if vas.old version is not equals to null, then it will go here. And default it is equals to null, then it will go here. No condition met. I am hoping for it to go here. If it don't go here, then okay. I think that's a pretty solid mission out here. Okay, I think that is a pretty good progress out here. If What do we need to do? Okay. What I can do, what I can different thing. I can just set and transform message. Okay. Uh, I'll just concept this clear. Like I'll try to clear my concept side by side. So just ask him, uh, what is the difference if I use three set variables in a flow versus if I use one transform message and make a three variable inside it. Use database. Let's done option on multiple set variable. Each set variable runs as a separate processor. Each expression is evaluated and moved process them one by one. Downside slight performance overhead. Multiple processor repeated evaluation of the same flow becomes longer and cluttered. One transformation multiple variables. Only one processor runs data evaluates everything. Variables are computed with the same execution. Context key reference. Three processes, one process slightly slower, faster, scattered logic, centralized logic, harder, easier. Repeated done once. Important insight. Under the hood, MuleSoft database somewhere for transformation. So, multiple set with imperative stack. Declared for optimized by practice use transformation when you are doing legislative performance matter. Use set variable when you need a quick sim. Pasar and data set of different stages. Real world condition. Same payload like most cases. Is equals to- Try this one. Okay. Let's try this one. Payload group ID. Group ID. API name. Variable can go set up for message. push. Okay, I think I am audible now. If I am not, then sorry, but I don't think you have to push like this much. Thanks. I am like uh, very grateful for this, but thanks. On a very good, sorry, I just repeating the same thing. I'm very grateful, but you don't have to go like this. I'm just doing this for fun. Okay, I'm just doing this for so I can be stay consistent. I'm making something. I did not do much tasks every day, and this is a single thing that I like to do every day. Okay, so that's why I am not doing it for like and subscribe and like things like that. Okay, uh, and stuff. The main point is there when someone do comment this things like how you have done it. Uh, so I found a good friend. Like, so I find a good friend, and we can be friends as well, and we will maybe work on some other things rather than this. You don't have to go that far. You just and I don't want anyone who did not want to engage in the channel to like just increase the count, and I was like I'm not getting results out of it. So thanks what you have done, but please don't go that much far. I really appreciate your concerns. Thank you. Okay, here. So payload.set ID. Okay. Uh, set ID is this one. Then we have another variable here that is variable name is ID, group ID, and okay, group ID is JSON, and the group ID's value is Windows. I did not want anybody else to get like I really don't like to what is the word to bother people because of my cause. Okay. So I really don't like to cause trouble for other people. Uh, so I think I'm audible again. If uh, not, then I don't think I can do much. I think much for this because I have set it all the things how they have to work. Otherwise, that's all good. JSON then payload dot API version is just version. Okay, I got this, and we got here version. I need to date. Let me just go to XML. These are three set variable. I'll just make them control shift slash save it. I hope it will work. If it doesn't, then it is not a right thing to do in this project. But I hope it work because as much knowledge as I have, I have used all of it in this. Oh, let me just send it. But there's no version to compare. Okay, no version to compare. And the program will purchase soul. Got it. Okay, it is running. I think stop project test. I need to debug it. Debug project test, and now we'll have what we need. Thank you, anyone who is there and like watching it. Wait, yeah, I can just see uh like 950 followers are there. Okay, in my activity at LinkedIn. So, uh, and from this 950 followers, it is 133 people are here. Okay, 133, 134 people are on YouTube. So I found that 134 people in on YouTube only in live stream. Okay, and they send me a request on LinkedIn. There are some other people as well that don't have a LinkedIn, and they are like, we are not there. And if you have Instagram or something, so we can meet there. But I don't have Instagram, and I am not active as. I think that's answer your question. Mhm. Restart. Once it is restarted, we'll have the feed that we need. This is ChatGPT has started to get smart response more by logging. Okay, I have just given the Gemini to generate a thumbnail for my stream. I have given recently I've created a thumbnail. Okay, see it had made this. Okay, I want something like this. It's more light. Okay, you I my own channel. because when say little low, then it will be muted because this noise suppression is going on, and that mute a certain level of voice. When my dB cross the limit, then it will mute that part. Oh, when the like voice when the voice is not as per the dB, then it will get suppressed. So I think this problem we need to face. And there is not that much time left, so I'll just debug project test one more time and we'll send a request, and if it is all good, then we will wrap for today. Otherwise, we work on it more. Okay, work on it more tomorrow. Still, I have hello. Okay, still I have 8 minutes for complete this. Still, I have 8 minutes to complete this, and I think I'm not muted yet because I like mic is just in front of my mouth. If still it's feeling like I'm muted, then I don't think I can do anything now. Okay. And for this, I'm thinking of buying a mic because I'm going to change my headphone and hope we'll get a good one. Just send a request here and we'll wait. We've got to show. Okay, the problem, I got the problem. It is like no breakpoints are here. Okay, I just need add one breakpoint. Okay. Says I'll send another request breakpoint, and we have variable size 3. Keep it with the OK. So this is the way, and I have done something new and made our pro little small. Okay, so all good and work how we hope so. Why request 2 is still going on? Okay, it's still here, then yeah, there's no new version to compare. If because there's no new version to compare because 1.0.7 is here. We are checking for 1.0.7 as a new version, and what we have previously is 1.0.7 for same API that is stored in it. So that's the thing. Uh, then it is just dumb, or it is making me uh, for current project just refer above. Let's see what it will generate. Yeah, for live. Short timing for live. Bro, if you like you will get it. Uh, Sometimes what happens, I do a job. Okay, sometimes what happens when I came here, it will so late. I am so tired that as I don't do. Okay, most of the time in 5 days a week, I do this and whatever. I do this and I try to do on Friday as well. So it is timing is like 10 or 11. Okay. And I don't encourage you to just sit here and watch it. I may like you can do some other task in that. So if you want to talk or talk something about it and you're not able to message, you can come to live and ask me directly here. If you don't have any problem, like I encourage you to work on yourself rather than watching uh an hour or something on here. Okay. Mm, okay. Can't the life can be landscape interpreted. Bro, the problem is when I do on landscape, it will stuck on it. Okay, and like uh, I can do this, but I usually don't do this. Okay, I have done previous one in landscape. That uh, how put it, like there are multiple reasons for that. So one time I like it is not working. Okay, I'll I will generate it later, and I think today we have done enough. Okay, so it is around 2 minutes more. I have 1.5 minutes. Again, that I can. If you have any other question or want to talk on something, I'll just answer it. Otherwise, thanks, Bhanu, bro. You have done like you have done a favor to me, or one or two favors to me, and I'm just really uh, how put it really grateful. I found someone like you who have done uh, this for me, and yeah, thank you, Bhanu, and thank you, Jumpy Cloudy that said hi, and then Yug Bro, the OG one here, Shreyas Raj is just came here and put something out, and I was like completely wrong answer. Then Templier is like it is great, Abhi 2K, big shout out. Thank you everyone who has joined and uh, who joined this live. I'm very grateful for you. Very grateful. Okay. Here's my LinkedIn if someone want to connect to me and maybe work with me on some hackathon or something. They have any idea, we can work on it. Okay, then I think that's all. I'm just stopping the stream. Thank you, everyone. Yeah, thank you. Thank you, Bhanu, bro. Thank you, everyone.